We talk about how can you block a number series on your Truecaller app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, just go here above this sign, click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on block, you just click here on block. Then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here. So you keep going down. You come here to number series, just click on it. So then here add number that starts with here, or number that contain here, or number that end with, and you add here number series. Then you click here on block. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.